guys, my name is Catalina and this is my craft channel. I find myself again in this corner of my home working on a short project, and I want to make a table runner to give to a friend of mine whose birthday is coming up soon. And I found inspiration in this book, another beautiful book that is only about table toppers. So if I flip through its pages, which are very colorful and nice, and I stop at page 159, this, I find perfect for what I want to make. It's a table runner that has two angels applique on each end of the table runner, and they give you a page here that you can use to trace on a tracing paper to the parts of the angel that you need to cut from fabric. Please, if you are a new visitor of this channel and you haven't subscribed yet, please do so, and don't forget to click on the bell icon so you'll be notified whenever I make a new video. And also please leave a little comment and give me a thumbs up if you like this video, because that will help a lot my channel. Thank you for coming over, and I hope you'll enjoy the video. So I want to use this one as a background, so I like it this dark and will make a nice contrast. I really like the idea of the blue wings. And then I need something for the body. So I have this fabric for the background. It says that the finished runner will be 14 inches wide by 40 inches long. Let me see if I have this is enough for backing. I like it very much, and it looks like a cathedral window. So I think I'm set with the back, with the front, and I need a backing that will be very thin. I have the exact length of batting for this project. Okay, so now I have the bathing. We have everything we need for this project. And now let's look at the angel in this picture. I have the face of the angel is this peachy pink. I have the wings. I would like the wings to be this blue. Okay, and I have the halo of for the head of the angel. I have nice gold yellow, and I have beautiful white, bright white fabric, and this is a little bit pinky white for the interior of the robe that it shows. And of course for the hands and the neck and face I'm gonna use this peachy pink. So I am set with everything I need. I'm really glad I found all these pieces. I'm gonna iron them. Of course I need interface. I need to interface all these pieces of fabric, and I'm gonna try to cut them with the interface which will be something new for me because I haven't tried that before. So I also need to put interface on this. I'm gonna cut a bit of interface. It's not papery, it's more like textured, and it's iron on because I see it has some glue on it. So I'm just gonna put it with the glue down on the back of the fabric and then iron it. Let's try it. Okay, very good. I have enough to make 2 pairs of wings because I have 2 angels, right? Okay, so next, so after I cut all the pieces that I need to create the angel, I need to put them together. So I got this hit and bond after all. I think I'm gonna use it. I'm not sorry for using this because it gives some structure to all the pieces, but in the end I need something that I can easily move around and apply on that fabric. So that's why I am using the hit and bond now. Yeah. Okay. So I place this here. Arms. I'm gonna use a little bit of glue. This is the only kind I have right now, and that's not dry. The needle I'm gonna take a little bit and stick it in here and let it dry, because otherwise I cannot move things around. So it was a good solution for my cutting machine to use the fusible web, but when it comes to applying all this one on top of the other, they need to stick to each other. So I'm going to use now the Cricut iron, but you can use any iron you want, but I prefer, since I have this one, to use it because it has a bigger surface. So I'm just gonna iron this. I'm gonna press it and leave it a few seconds so it's stuck to this, and now I'm gonna cut it around. So now I have the little angel. This shiny thing is a glue, iron on glue. Okay. it's time for me to prepare the fabric for quilting. So now I have to trim the corners. They say 4 inches. So I'm looking at the 4 inches. I really don't like 4 inches. I'm gonna put just 3. I'm just gonna cut here. And 3 inches here. So this is how it looks so far, and this is the back. I think it looks nice. I like it. I really like the choice of fabric. I like I don't know if you can see the wiggly lines. That looks like a blue sky. I like it. And I use teal color for the wings, and I think it makes a nice contrast. I am really pleased. I'm gonna do the same with this corner. I'm gonna trim it down, and then I have to do the binding. I'm just eyeball it like this. Okay, so yes, this is my